We have a chrome-plated hose included. It's got some little protectors on the threads, a little adapter to go on your shower head, hold it in here, and then the actual unit itself. Shower head's 3.15 inches in depth, 5.12 across, and 11 inches tall. And there are 3 shades: matte black, nickel, and I have chrome plated. We have 7 patterns. I'll show you what they look like, but it moves pretty easily. That's the first pattern. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice and smooth. And then you have the slow water pattern. So like if you're doing something on your face or shaving, you turn it so it'll drip out in full force. Then there's a button in the back you can hold, and it'll shoot water out here on the top. You can see it on the picture here, and I'll show you. Very simple to attach. My shower frame doesn't work with this little adapter that you would put like this. This is mostly for a shower head that comes right out of the wall connected to. Mine's more of a sliding frame, so just get this and tighten it up on here, put some Teflon tape, and there we go. Works perfectly. Here's pattern 1, sharp seam, 2, 3, 4, a lot of water, 5, 7. That's cool. I'll be shaving. Push it up. They're usually supposed to drip. I'll let you know that it's still on, but I guess not. And there's the spray. But you can clean your shower with that. This has a flow limiter also, so if you have really high water pressure or you want to save some on the flow of the water, you just put that in there and then screw the head in. It'll slow down the water.